Okay, guys, here we have the World War II quiz. This quiz has been modified. So pick the correct answers. First question, Winston Churchill was the leader of which country during World War II? Italy, Germany, Great Britain. Benito Mussolini was the leader of which country during World War II? Italy, Germany, Japan. Adolf Hitler was the leader of which country during World War II? Italy, Germany, Japan. Emperor Hirohito was the leader of which country during World War II? United States, Japan, or Germany? Joseph Stalin was the leader of which country during World War II? Italy, Soviet Union, or Germany? Franklin D. Roosevelt was the leader of which country during World War II? Germany, United States, Italy. For this next question, identify the countries that fought for the Axis powers during World War II. You're going to choose them all. There's 5. United States, Japan, France, Great Britain, Italy, and Germany. Sorry, my mouse is being weird today. Identify the countries that fought for the Allies during World War II. Choose them all. This man won 4 gold medals in track and field at the 1936 Summer Olympics in Berlin, Germany. Here's his picture. Is that Usain Bolt, Jesse Owens, or Pete Norman? In order to prevent a perceived threat of Japanese Americans during World War II, Executive Order 9066 placed 117,000 people in internment camps, in the military, into factories. When Churchill and FDR made war plans in December 1941, they decided top priority was to defeat Japan, defeat Germany, create the United Nations. Germany used a new military strategy, the blank, or known as lightning warfare. Is that blitzkrieg, radar, or trench warfare? D-Day, Operation Overlord, was code name for the Allied invasion of Italy, Japan, or France. This track athlete survived a crash landing of his plane, 47 days on a raft, and years of hardships and brutal treatment in a prisoner of war camp. There's his picture. Is that Louis Zamperini, Henry Ford, or John F. Kennedy? Where were the atomic bombs dropped? Aishin and Magnik, Okinawa and Iwo Jima, or Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Here's another picture. This photo was taken at an island battle that was heavily defended by the Japanese. Here's the picture. Is that picture depicting Okinawa, Iwo Jima, or Normandy? How many people were killed in the Holocaust? 5,000, 1 million, or 11 million? The Battle of the Bulge was significant because it marked the last German offensive, liberation of the death camps, the Allies' first victory in a land battle. Who made the final decision to drop the atomic bombs? Harry S. Truman, Albert Einstein, or Franklin D. Roosevelt? Okay, which of the following reflects the correct chronological order? So which came first? That's what they're asking. First through time. How does it correctly go through time? Battle of Stalingrad, D-Day, Liberation of France, VE Day, or D-Day, Battle of Stalingrad, Liberation of France, VE Day, or Battle of Stalingrad, VE Day, Liberation of France, D-Day. What is the code name for the Allied invasion of North Africa? Operation Overlord, Operation Torch, or Operation Lunchbox? Winston Churchill felt that by signing the blank, Britain and France had adopted the policy of appeasement. The Munich Pact, Non-Aggression Pact, Treaty of Versailles. And the last one, this day marked the end of the war in Europe. VE Day, VJ Day, or Armistice Day? Check your answers and hit submit.